Jamaicans are living longer now than half a century ago. One local expert said this is due to part to modern medical care. TVJ Shimela Pullin reports.
Health report. Over the last 20 years, there has been an increase in the aging population. Family physician Dr. Clement Williams says more women are also living longer than men.
We have the average age of the population stretching to a higher age. We see like patients in their 70s having a better quality of life, patients in the 60s having a better quality of life, and the life expectancy going up to the 80s.
According to Dr. Williams, although a healthy lifestyle plays a critical role, modern medicine is also doing its part. Dr. Williams says because of modern medical care, some of the non-communicable diseases that once caused significant morbidity are non-existent.
The whole access to what we call tertiary medical care, for example, patients who have hypertension and diabetes who are more prone to heart disease. A lot of these patients now get interventional treatment in the form of coronary artery bypass, other coronary procedures that prevent recurrent heart attacks.
But although more Jamaicans are aware of their health, they still have a far way to go.
More access to specialized care, for example, in first world countries where more patients can access these specialized services, you'll find that the average age of the population in like the US might be a little bit higher than in a third world country. And again, this contributes right back to access to specialized services.
With your health report, I'm Shimela Pullin wishing you good health. Health report.